The world stood on the brink of unimaginable power. A letter, signed by Albert Einstein, had just reached the hands of U.S. President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The words within would set in motion the Manhattan Project, leading to the creation of the atomic bomb. Yet, the man behind this letter was not a warmonger. He was a physicist, a dreamer, a revolutionary thinker who had changed the very fabric of reality. From a young patent clerk to the most famous scientist in history, Albert Einstein's life was a story of genius, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of truth. Welcome to History in a Hurry. I'm Professor Malcolm Mazur, and in this episode we will learn about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, into a secular Jewish family. From an early age, he displayed an insatiable curiosity for science and mathematics. However, contrary to popular myth, he was not a poor student. He excelled in subjects that interested him but struggled with rigid, authoritarian schooling methods. His independent mind clashed with the educational system, and after failing the entrance exam to the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, ETH Zurich, on his first attempt, he spent a year studying before gaining admission in 1896. After graduating in 1900, Einstein struggled to find academic work and instead took a job at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. While working as a clerk, he pursued physics in his spare time, laying the groundwork for the miracle year, Annus Mirabilis, of 1905. In this single year, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers that reshaped physics. These included the photoelectric effect, which later won him the Nobel Prize, Brownian motion, special relativity, and the most famous equation in history, E equals mc squared. These discoveries revolutionized our understanding of light, energy, and time itself. Einstein's theory of special relativity introduced the idea that time and space were not absolute but relative, depending on the observer's motion. This shattered centuries of Newtonian physics and redefined the universe. His equation E equals mc squared demonstrated that mass and energy were interchangeable, a concept that would later prove critical in nuclear energy and weapons development. By 1915, Einstein had taken his ideas even further, presenting his general theory of relativity, which described gravity not as a force, but as the warping of space-time by massive objects. In 1919, during a solar eclipse, British astronomers confirmed his theory when they observed light bending around the sun, exactly as Einstein had predicted. Overnight, he became a global celebrity, his name synonymous with genius. Despite his scientific success, Einstein's personal life was often tumultuous. His first marriage to Mileva Maric ended in divorce, though they had 2 sons together. He later married his cousin Elsa Einstein, and his relationships were often strained due to his relentless focus on work. As the Nazi regime rose in Germany during the 1930s, Einstein, who was Jewish, saw the dangers ahead. In 1933, he fled to the United States, taking a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton. It was during this time that he co-signed the Einstein-Szilard letter, warning President Roosevelt that Nazi Germany might be developing an atomic bomb. This led to the Manhattan Project, though Einstein himself was not directly involved in the bomb's creation. After World War II, Einstein became a vocal advocate for peace and nuclear disarmament. He regretted his indirect role in the atomic bomb's development and warned against nuclear proliferation. He also championed civil rights, supporting African American causes and speaking out against racism in the United States. Scientifically, he spent his later years attempting to develop a unified field theory, an ultimate equation that could explain all forces of nature. However, he was unable to complete this work before his death. On April 18, 1955, Einstein passed away in Princeton, New Jersey, leaving behind a legacy that forever changed science. Albert Einstein's influence extended far beyond physics. His ideas laid the foundation for quantum mechanics, GPS technology, black hole research, and modern cosmology. His name remains a symbol of intellectual brilliance, a testament to the power of curiosity, and a reminder that one person's ideas can reshape the universe. Thanks for racing through history with us on History in a Hurry. If you enjoyed today's quick dive into the past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a fast-paced trip through time. Please reply in the comments with ideas for our next history lesson. See you in the next one.